Hello friends, welcome back to my new channel. So today we are studying on chapter 3 of Geography, Motions of the Earth. Standard 6th. Question number 1. Answer the following questions briefly. A. What is the angle of inclination of the Earth's axis with its orbital plane? Answer. The angle of inclination of the Earth's axis with its orbital plane is 66 1/2 degree. B. Define rotation and revolution. Answer is rotation is the spinning movement of the Earth from west to east on its axis. A single rotation of the Earth takes about 24 hours or 1 day. Revolution is the movement of the Earth around the Sun in a huge oval shape, fixed path or orbit. C. What is a leap year? Answer is Earth takes 365 1/4 days to revolve around the Sun. However, for the sake of convenience, we consider a year and consisting of 365 days. The 6 hours bracket 1/4 of 24 hours that are ignored make 1 day. 24 hours over a span of 4 years. The surplus day is added to the month of February. Thus, every fourth year, February has 29 days, and such a year with 366 days is known as a leap year. D. Differentiate between the summer and winter solstice. Answer. Here is given the boxes. In first box is summer solstice, and in second box is winter solstice. In summer solstice there is written, it is position of the earth when the rays of the sun fall directly on the Tropic of Cancer. In this portion, the north pole is tilted toward the sun, and winter solstice, it is the position of the earth when the ray of the sun fall directly on the Tropic of Capricorn. In this position, the north pole is tilted away from the sun. A larger portion of the northern hemisphere gets light from the sun, hence it is summer in the northern hemisphere. During this period in the northern hemisphere, days are longer than nights. In winter solstice, a larger portion of the southern hemisphere gets light from the sun, hence it is winter in the northern hemisphere. During this period in the northern hemisphere, nights are longer than days. E. What is an equinox? Answer is equinox is the position of the earth when the rays of sun fall directly on the equator. At this position, neither of the poles is tilted towards the sun. As a result, the entire earth has equal days and equal nights. This phenomenon occurs on 21st March and 23rd September. F is, why does the southern hemisphere experience winter and summer solstice in different times than that of the northern hemisphere? Answer: when the North Pole is tilted toward the Sun, the Northern Hemisphere experiences summer solstice. At this time, since the South Pole is tilted away from the Sun, the Southern Hemisphere experiences winter solstice. When the North Pole is tilted away from the Sun, the Northern Hemisphere experiences winter solstice. At this time, since the South Pole is tilted towards the Sun, the Southern Hemisphere experiences summer solstice. G. Why do the poles experience about 6-month day and 6-month night? Answer is: the poles experience about 6 months of day and 6 months of night because of the tilt of the Sun on its axis. Because of this tilt, each pole is tilted towards and away from the Sun about 6 months each. When the North Pole is tilted towards the Sun, it experiences continuous daylight for 6 months. It is night for the same time of period at the South Pole. In its night for the same time period at the South Pole, these conditions are reversed when the South Pole is tilted toward the Sun. Question number 2. Tick the correct answers. A. The movement of the Earth around the Sun is known as. Options are given: rotation, revolution, inclination. Answer of first is revolution. B. Direct rays of the Sun falls on the equator on. Options are given: 21 March, June and 22 December. Then answer is 21 March. C. Christmas is celebrated in summer in. Options are Japan, India, Australia. Answer is Australia. D. Cycle of reasons is called due to. Options are rotation, revolution and gravitation. Answer is revolution. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks. A. A leap year has 366 numbers of days. Answer is 366. B. The daily motion of the earth is rotational. Answer is rotational. C. The earth travels around the sun in the fixed elliptical orbit. Answer is elliptical. D. The sun rays fall vertically on the tropic Cancer of 21st June. Answer is Cancer. E. Days are shorter during winter season. Answer is winter. Thank you. If you like this video, then please subscribe to this channel.